Hello. Just to reiterate, I'm still rich as fuck, okay? Yeah, I got this uniform on, but like, don't worry about that. Like, I do it just to keep y'all off my scent. Ask the homie, hey, I'm rich.
Rich as fuck.
Thank you. See, I'll get y'all property together, okay? Think about this. Y'all making yourself look bad out here being poor. Don't ask how I got rich. I just did it, okay? And when I did it, I done it. It's dead. Okay, thank you.
So,
Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? I know I haven't done vlogs because I'm moving into a different perception. Okay, I got this from Jamal the Creative. I bought his merch. I got Slaves VW, but I'm trying to do a vlog, right? I mean, trying to shoot a skit because I'm transitioning because I mean, if I'm not gonna get any views for my car content, and since I'm working on my bug and nobody's kind of like paying attention to it, I thought maybe let me try my other creative side and maybe I'll get some attention from that. If it don't work, it don't work. But anyway, in the process, I got a cameraman, Mr. Papa Z Films right here, right? So this guy right here, right? So he's shooting skits. Is she bleaching her mustache? Yes, she's bleaching her mustache. Anyway, I'm gonna act like I didn't see that. I didn't see that. I didn't see her burning her mustache. Okay, we didn't see that mustache burning. Okay, but I can't see out his windshield, so we have to work, and I can't see out his windshield, and Herbie's not gonna drive far distances. She's bleaching her mustache. Anyway, we got to get his car clean. So this is what this video is about. If you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't, I'm sorry. My feelings are hurt, but it's okay. She's bleaching her mustache. All right, he about to get his first JNR experience, you know what I'm saying? So, you should be happy because if y'all see this windshield, oh my God, look at this. I can't see anything. I don't know if y'all can see it through the camera, but oh my God, I can't see anything. It's like I'm going blind out here. My eyes are burning. Sorry, my lips are ashy. That's how it works. When it get hot, my lips get dry. Anyway, yeah, so hopefully Papa Z finally because I can find it. Like, how do you see out the camera and then you can't see out your windshield? I don't understand. I don't understand. So I guess he squint the same way he does when he's doing the filming, I guess. I don't know, but
I can see. That's all that matters. I can see out.
I can't.
And I'm on my phone texting, business, you know.
Yeah, okay, go on shoot your movies, but go on help me fix my eyeballs. I can't see out your windshield.
You in the passenger seat, why you didn't drive?
I can't drive because I can't see out your windshield. That's why you got to get this car washed.
You should have drove your clean windshield ass car.
But we got to clean your car because I can't let my cameraman drive around like this. This is depressing. So at this light, make a right, right there.
This guy good, man.
Man, this dude is phenomenal. I'm telling you, he's like, watch. You gonna see.
It's only one person watching.
No, him and his dad. It's a father-son team.
It's a father-son. Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. I like when fathers and sons work together.
They put their heads together and figured it out. And then his first street, we make it right.
What hood we in?
I have no idea. Wait, this is not the street. Yeah, it is the street, right? Make it right. And then we right here. And then
Hopefully, first thing that hopefully they clean the inside.
Oh, they're gonna clean the whole shebang. Wait, slow down.
They Mexicans.
Looking for the man. Yeah, they're Mexican.
Right here?
Yep. I think we getting close. Right there, right where the van is.
Oh, yeah.
Father-son team right here.
Where we gonna park at?
Right behind them.
You gonna do it in the red?
They ain't gonna do it in the red. It's gonna look good. Watch what your car look like.
I gotta put some of this stuff up.
Clean your dirty ass car, dog. He ain't gonna take nothing from you. These are my homeboys, man. These are my dogs right here. This is how you gonna try to judge my homies. This dude's car horrible. Like, it's embarrassing. Like, no, look at the windshield. Just put your head in the car real quick. Y'all gotta look inside. Look in the window. No, for real, do it for me. That's my boy Papa Z. Look inside the windshield and tell me how do you.
right here, bro.
Look inside the car. Watch. It's like, look. How do he drive in the car like this? Can you see? It's blurry, like you can't, it's like somebody put bleach in your eyeballs or something. So we about to go get ready to shoot a skit, right? And then he like, oh, let's go shoot a skit. I can't see. My eyes hurt. Like, I thought I had diabetes already.
Yeah, I put it in the trunk. Yeah.
So I was so disappointed. So now you getting a JNR touch. You know what I'm saying? You finna get that watch. Watch. Oh, let the ladies know who you are, you know what I'm saying, just in case, you know what I'm saying, they're looking for a single man.
Big Junior right here.
All right.
My boy's name, you feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
Sir,
Bless me.
Have to come bless my boy real quick. You want us to clean right there, bro? You want to move those things? So it's cool.
He finna like listen, you finna get a blessing.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Now you know you finna get a blessing. Watch what you say when the car watch. I'm gonna film you soon. I'm not gonna film them shoot. I'm not gonna film them washing. Cause that's all proprietary. Yeah. But I'm gonna film once you get the thing done. Yeah, watch the results. Watch the aftermath. And I'm gonna put all that information in the description so you know what I'm saying, you can see what cause I used them twice already. The second time they did my bug, I just realized like the shine on it. It was like amazing. And I was like, you know what? I just gotta keep blessing all the homies with it. So I blessed my boy Eddie with it, and now it's Papa Z turn to get that watery. Look at all that damn dirt. Dusty ass car. See how look at that. That's a damn shame. Grown ass man, dirty ass feet. Look at that. Look at this. That's why I don't like doing car vlogs, cause look, all these dirty ass cars. Look at that. Look at it. That's his feet. That man. Your car. Get it done. Can we take a second to realize that man had all that money in that car? Look at all that money. But he can't afford to paint a car wash. Look at that. I'm so ashamed of him. This is my cameraman, though. Matter of fact, that's the logo. So he said he can get us all the hot chicks we want.
Man, thank my boy right here, man. He looking at nigga shit up, man.
You know you gotta bless your brothers, man. Like, if you gonna do this, like you know what I'm saying, I deal with cars, but I do skits. But I love cars at the end of the day. If I had the money, like if I did music would have worked for me, comedy, anything would have worked for me, it would have been cars. At the end of the day, that's why I do this. So, you know, you gotta bless your brothers, you know what I'm saying? And this dude right here, man, we've been knee-high to a duck, man. I was trying to figure it out. He was figuring it out. We figured it out together. We're gonna try to make this happen. So, you know, you gotta bless your brothers, you know what I'm saying? When it comes to your brothers, that's what you gotta do. It ain't what you wanna do, it's what you gotta do.
I got some shit in the glove compartment. Make sure they don't take my shit.
I don't know what's in the glove compartment. Don't ask me. That's father to son, you know what I'm saying, teamwork and making the dream work, you know what I'm saying? That's what you want to see, you know what I'm saying? Family working, you know what I'm saying? It's not like somebody trying to wait for somebody to make something happen to them. Look at this, they got a whole truck, they come to you, and they clean the shit out your car. Like, my other homies, I'm not saying ain't nothing wrong with none of my other homies, you know what I'm saying? You go to Bluefin, you can go to, you can also go to, God damn it, my brain broke for a second, brain freeze. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. Vernon Mobile Detail, you know what I'm saying? You can go to any of my homeboys, like they all doing the same thing, let me clean that out for y'all real quick. You know what I'm saying? They all doing, you know what I'm saying, great work when it comes to detailing your cars. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta, you know what I'm saying, pick the person that's gonna be most serious about the job and let them do the job for you. Because, you know what I'm saying, I'm really, you know what I'm saying, I'm very impressed by the work that they do, you know what I'm saying? At the same time, it's a father and son team. So it's something for me, it's special to my heart, because I know when me and my father, we, as a kid, you know what I'm saying, that's all we did is work on cars, you know what I'm saying? And I want to, you know, I haven't really said anything about it because I've been trying to be respectful to the family and everything. But, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Jose, man. Rest in peace, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? When I see father and son teams doing stuff and chasing dreams and getting it together, you know what I'm saying? It got a special place in my heart. So seeing this just motivates me, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? I'm going to try to figure out every way I can to make sure my boy's dream comes into fruition, you know what I'm saying? He always wanted to paint a body shop. So, you know what I'm saying? Every time you watch one of my videos and you help me, you know what I'm saying, get to the point where I can get monetized, you actually helping me get a dream, one of my friends' dreams accomplished, you know what I'm saying? Because we talked about it every day. We was going to get this shop going and everything. So seeing them do it is just even more inspiration for me to see that dream coming to fruition, you know what I'm saying? So every time you click like, you comment, you subscribe, you do anything, any of that is helping me get to that dream so I can make sure one of my friends' dreams become a reality. You know what I mean? Seeing my friend right here, making sure, like, seeing him have a clean car made me feel better about myself, you know what I'm saying? Because I know it's not just me in this world that I'm doing what I'm doing for. So, thank you.
Without my windshield, right?
Exactly, because I could not see out of it. I was quitting.
As long as they clean all the insides of my windows, the windshield, the back window, the sides and the inside, I'm in love.
Man. And that's all we need in this world, man. Just, you know what I'm saying, the basic essentials, you know what I'm saying? Everything else is added. If something as simple as a car wash and get your friend, you know what I'm saying, get your friend's good favor, because that what he charged for filming and what I pay him for filming and what, you know what I'm saying, like, I could never afford that. Look at that.
You get that inside.
He cleaned the inside of that window finally getting some soap and water on it. Now you can finally see out of it. I can see out of it. I'm gonna let y'all see the final, you know what I'm saying, the final everything once it's done. All right. Clearly now the rain is gone. Look, I can see out the windows. Dang. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I can. I can actually see out the windows of this car. I'm so freaking happy. Ain't that better?
Man, I can see. I don't need to go get no goddamn glasses, man.
Yeah, it wasn't your eyes bad. It was your dang car was bad.
Crazy. Man. Shit.
Balling like that, you know what I'm saying? You get, you know what I'm saying? You get big, you know what I'm saying? Baller charms with the big fat, you know what I'm saying? Dookie roll necklaces. You know what I'm saying? You could pay your car washer like nothing. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing. Here you go, man. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing. You know, I'm balling. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even show what money I gave him. It was a lot, though. Think of it. It was like probably like $100,000. But I don't pay that much for my car washes. But that's what I could do. See my jewels? So fake they real. Look at that. Get your paper up and you can do what I do. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have to work hard at it, though. It's going to take a whole lot of grinding. Okay? Get your paper up. Okay? If you're going to cap, make sure it's flat. You know what I'm saying? Get it right.